A Labubu meal! Let's see that toy!
Wow!
Fries! Not a toy, but they are nice and salty. Hold on, there was a toy in here all along! Let's see just how far this Labubu can go. Now for a trim around the ears, literally. Share the love, and by love, I mean slime. Ooh, a burger. Looks good. Take a bite. This is why I usually get the nuggets. Still, you can't beat a fun fidget spinner. It's great on a nice summer's day, too. Gotta have something to wash it down. It's got a toy, too. Ooh, blocks! We can build a Labubu from the ground up. Hooray! Now your collection's complete. So cool. Now I wonder what's for dessert. Wow, a squishy unicorn. How cute. I don't think that's supposed to come off. Oh no! Oh, what's she up to now? That's a lot of water. It's gonna blow! No wonder unicorns are so hard to find nowadays. They're probably hiding. How cute. Mochi squishies. Oh no, I have a strange feeling she's up to something. These things are going into the masher. Oh, I almost can't look. Well, on the bright side, those cute little squishies sure make. A camera? Huh, I can't believe they still make those. But it probably has some secret purpose we'll uncover. Let's see, we put in some glitter and a pretty image. It's a three-dimensional sticker! Wow! Personally, I'm more into that talking snowman, but to each their own. First, let's make sure that lever works. Yeah, it seems to work all right. Now let's put it to the test with another cute little piggy and a balloon. Wow, it's really blowing up, and off it goes. You should at least try to catch this one. Wow, that's certainly different. She didn't catch that one either. What's she gonna do with this next one? We can make our own cute little balloon poodle. Well, if you know how. Oh, it looks like a toy car. And it's a wind-em-up. There must be something secretly special about it. Oh, what the? Talk about your transformer. And talk about man's best friend while we're at it. Why not have 2 in 1? It's like a cross between yellow eyes and clear eggs. And it pops just like a balloon. Wow, this one looks like a bunch of little balls fused together. Oh, please don't try to break this one. Stress balls don't grow on trees, you know. Someone needs to warn these last 2 balls. Please play nice with them. Don't break up a nice set like this. I shouldn't have said anything. Here come the scissors. Let's hope the blue one escaped. Ew, that's a face only a mother could love, and only to keep up appearances. Don't stick your finger in there. I wouldn't mind breaking a piggy bank that looked like this. Well, it said it would eat your money, and it does. Oh wow, a cute little robot. Drawing a line? I think I know where you're going with this. how cute. Mr. Robot follows along the line. Impressive. But can we make it more challenging? Huh, I guess not. But hey, walk or not, at least it looks adorable while doing it. Cool. Those look like those things people wear to a rave party. It's almost hypnotic to watch. It's like a spinning rainbow. And would you look at that? They fold up into nice shape. Well, I guess optical illusions have done all they could with flat images, so now they're 3D. I swear, if this thing somehow turns into that impossible triangle, I'll pay double for it. Well, that was cool, but let's see what this magic napkin can do. Well, it can stretch it in and out. I hope the next thing's a hypercube.
Wow.
Well, guess not. But still, you can move this thing inside around like a spiral. These snappers are like really strong worms. Oh no, you broke it! I guess they're not too strong. Wait, I think you can put them back together. Just turn them into a circle. And thanks to the joints, you can fold them into any shape you want. First it's a plus sign, then it becomes 3D too, and back again. Let's see what this next toy can do. Well, seems simple enough, rolling a marble around and around, but things are rarely as simple as they appear. Spinning balls. Isn't that what balls are kind of known for doing? Oh, cool. They can spin on their own. It's like magic, or at least science fiction. Oh, the power of magnets. Truly the closest humans have come to magic. I'm not sure why, but I think they use this to train dairy farmers. Well, it seems simple. You just need to catch each one as it falls. If only it came with a few extra pairs of hands. The last one's always a bit tricky. Oh, whatever that is, it looks like a giant bubble wand. Oh, it's like a jump rope for one person. And you probably get a nice little workout from playing with it. Cool. You can do it with your hands, too. Let's see what's next. Oh, how cute. What is it exactly? It's like a cross between a cat and a raccoon. Oh, I see. It's a creature from the depths of the underworld. Those things are so hard to find at such a reasonable price. See, kids? I told you having an extra hand would come in handy. This should really help you reach up high and far. You can have fun scaring your date, especially if they made you pay for popcorn. And you can play King Kong with random children. Man, these cool tools just keep on coming. Wow, the sky just laid an egg. What's inside? A baby chick. Well, that seems normal enough. At least until you give her a good stretch. Marshmallow chicks have nothing on you. Ooh, she laid an egg. Wow. Anyone want breakfast? Well, time to get cracking. What, are you adding salt to taste? Now, let's heat things up. Give it a stretch. Who says you can't play with your food? Let's play a game. Customize some sprunky friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. tray looks sleepy. Wake up! The sun is shining! Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun. Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Warren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Garnold? Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble. Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vinaria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race. Huh, the forecast doesn't say anything about rain. Probably should have mentioned the lightning, though. Don't worry, Vinaria. Just close your eyes, and we'll have you all fixed up. Try some antiseptic. Ooh, the bubbles mean it's working. Don't forget, save some for the face. Now wipe it off. And save the skeletons for Halloween. It's important to appreciate the skin you're in. You could use some extensions while we're at it. Now call the rooster. It's wake-up time. A happy meal. That's what I call a tip. Look, it comes with all of our Sprunky friends. They really help make the world a colorful place on a good day.